Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using our gel press today. So we need our brayer and we're going to be using one of our ink pads from our Elements range. This is Sahara. Let's just transfer this ink first of all on to the background. And this is a really good base for our brushos. So taking a fan brush now, we've got a few different colours made up here. So I'm going to start with the lovely green, and we only need a small amount to create a really lovely background. So tiny little speckles. We've got Prussian blue. I'm going to pop those down at the bottom, and this is our lovely moss green as well. And I'm going to just pop a little bit of pink in there. Now let's see what this is like. So I've got some multifarious card here. I'm going to pop that over the top. Smooth down, and let's see what we've got. There we go. Fabulous colours. Such an easy, quick technique. And then I've got my lovely fairy stamp. So I'm inking up in the Nocturne. So let's pop her down round about there. And this technique is great for any silhouette stamps, as long as you keep your colours fairly light. If you go too dark, you won't be able to see the silhouette stamp over the top. So just remember to always water down your brushos quite a lot and keep the colours reasonably light. There we go. I'm going to ground the fairy now, so I've got a mask here, and then taking a stencil brush, I've got some medieval blue, and then I'm going to go over the top again just to soften that edge. There we go, that's good. Okay, so now I'm just going to build up a little bit of foliage down at the bottom here. And this works great with any kind of pound stamps that you've got. I'm inking up in Warm Breeze this time. And then we've got another great little foliage stamp here. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Monarch. So lastly, I'm going to pop some words down one side. So picking any verse, you don't have to pick the same one as me. It's just nice to have a few words in the background there. And we're going to go back to Warm Breeze. Just pop a few more down here as well. And then finishing off, we're going to use a glue pen and a little bit of glitter. I'm going to just take that glue pen over the edge of the ground, a few little dots coming up from the floor. And we've got Purple Delight. And that's a fabulous sparkle. It's a really fine purple. And then we've got a blue, and then we've got a really coarse sort of baby blue. But you can see the fabulous sparkle in that. And that's our biodegradable glitters. Let me just hold that in the light so you can just see that lovely dusting of glitter beneath the fairy. So a really nice, quick, easy card to produce. Just using that gel press, giving you a fabulous background. Well, thanks so much for joining me again today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Bye for now.